In this video, I'll show you how to add a currency balance in Wise. Step 1. Log into Wise. Go to wise.com or open the Wise app and sign in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to your balances. From your dashboard, locate the Balances section, where your current currency balances are displayed. Step 3. Click the plus or Add Currency button. Look for the plus icon or Add Currency button to open a new currency balance. Step 4. Choose the currency to add. Select the currency you want to add from the list of over 50 available currencies. Step 5. Confirm and open the balance. Click Open or Add to create the new currency balance in your account. Step 6. Fund your new currency balance. Add money to your new balance by selecting Add Money. Choose Payment Method and complete the payment process. Now I have some tips for you. You can hold and manage money in multiple currencies at the same time. Wise provides local bank details for many currencies to receive money locally. Manage conversions between balances at real exchange rates with transparent fees. And that's how you add a currency balance on Wise. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Bye, subscribe.